Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a powerful ERP solution, and when paired with Power BI, it transforms data into actionable insights, empowering you to make smarter business decisions. Let's explore how Power BI enhances financial and sales reporting in Business Central. Power BI is Microsoft's robust reporting and analytics tool, seamlessly integrated with Business Central. Microsoft has released Power BI applications covering 7 functional areas with over 69 pre-built reports, available to all Business Central customers at no additional cost to those with a Power BI Pro license. Downloading these apps is easy. Just connect them to your Business Central environment, and within minutes, your dashboards are populated with real-time data. Let's start with the Finance Dashboard. This comprehensive view provides instant insights into key financial metrics like revenue, cash flow, and outstanding invoices. With interactive filters, you can quickly drill down into specific timeframes, customers, or financial categories. For example, clicking on a customer updates all related revenue and outstanding balances instantly. Need more details? View financial statements such as income statements and balance sheets. And because Power BI is part of the Microsoft ecosystem, exporting data to Excel for further analysis is seamless. Now, let's take a look at the Sales Dashboard. This powerful tool helps track daily sales, top-selling products, and gross profit margins. Want to analyze performance by product? Simply select an item and the dashboard updates to show sales trends, profit margins, and other key insights. Power BI's drill-through functionality allows deeper analysis of each data point, ensuring you have the details needed to make informed decisions. Accessing these reports is effortless. With Business Central's All Reports feature, you can find all Power BI reports in one place. Plus, you can bookmark critical reports for quick access every time you log in. These Power BI apps are available for free on Microsoft AppSource. With just a few clicks, you can download, connect, and start leveraging over 69 pre-built reports tailored for Business Central. As Microsoft continues to refine and expand these capabilities, you can expect even more insights to help drive your business forward. Unlock the power of your data with Power BI and Business Central. Contact us today to learn how we can help you harness these insights and maximize your business potential. Visit Innovate.com to get started today.